What happened? Oh no, he came off.
Okay.
Dude, he looked big, yeah?
He's fucking huge.
Fuck yeah, dude. Check it out, we're out here with Sean, one of my oldest friends. We're doing some, looking for some steelhead out here, but we'll take anything. Water has risen since the last time I've been here. So hopefully that, and hasn't washed them down river. But we'll throw out the floats and see what we can get. But yeah, you can see how much it's opened up since it's been here last. Don't fall in there. I've seen some guy fucking just dive right in after a fish.
That's my spot.
All right, let's get it going. I need more weight on my bait. Yo, bird coming in. Second catch of the day, this little guy. Not bad little trout. All right, buddy. You ready to go in? Reeling in his first catch of the day. Bring it on in, buddy. Oh, I'm gonna net him for you. Are you good? Oh, he's jumping. Nice. How'd you even do that? That's crazy.
That's how good I am.
He dropped it right on top of his head and fucking took him on in.
Fuck you, shut up.
Nice, nice, nice.
Hell yeah, man.
I don't know how you did that. That's skill right there.
Hell yeah, it is. Okay, take it easy, man.
Yeah, it's a weird looking fish, huh?
Yeah.
It's crazy, yeah.
Dude, he's nibbling at it. Yeah. So I had a fish hook just a second ago. He jumped and spit my hook. So let's see if I can catch him. I had him hooked on twice. Okay. Okay. Ah, you little fucking dink. Little fucking dink. Little dink.
There you go. Hell yeah, though, dude.
We'll count it.
That's tight, though.
Whoa, shit. Oh. Okay, you've got that connected to you. I gotta take note. Oh, hell yeah.
Nice, dude.
We'll count it.
Pink.
Yep. Okay. That's not the one we wanted. That's not the one we want, though. He's okay. You got the net back? Watch that. Yep. Yep, that's the spot. So I have no idea how to get out of this if I catch a fish, because I don't think I can pull them into this shit. Sack of junk. Come on back to me, buddy. Found a snag. Must be that same one that you had. Ah, we suck again. I don't want to fall.
No.